I
have been brought out from the hospital. They've completed their medical tests. Now they will be produced before the magistrate's court. Here are visuals coming in. Shawik now, in fact, they've just landed at the court. They've just landed at the court. Here are live visuals coming in of Shawik and Samuel Miranda, who've just landed at the magistrate's court. Visuals coming in, both of them now to be appearing before the magistrate's court. In fact, they've reached the court now. They will be inside. The decision on whether they have to be kept in custody, whether they have to be kept in judicial custody or NCB's custody will be decided in court right in just a little while from now. In fact, Samuel Miranda, Sushant Singh Rajput's house manager, along with Shawik Chakravarti, Ria's brother, both of them have been now brought to the magistrate's court in Mumbai. The NCB is already seeking for a 4 to 6 day custody of both of them. In a little while from now, the court will pronounce whether they will be whether they'll be given judicial custody or NCB's custody. In just moments from now, the court will decide whether Samuel Miranda and Shawik Chakravarti will remain in custody. In fact, of course, they're trying their best to get bail as well, but here we understand that a judicial custody could be inevitable here. Either custody, judicial custody or the NCB custody, either one of them. Ashutosh Mishra there speaking. Let's take a listen.
लेकिन जब हम बात कर रहे हैं इस समय उन्हें कोर्ट रूम में ले जाया गया है.
Ashutosh Mishra is tracking every movement of the NCB. The NCB has just brought in Shawik Chakravarti as well as Samuel Miranda to the magistrate's court. They will be now, the court will now decide whether they will be granted judicial custody or NCB's custody or even bail for that matter. All that will be decided. Vidya joining us on the phone line. Vidya, they've already reached the magistrate's court. What's now next for Shawik and Samuel Miranda? They have charges of peddling drugs, promoting it, purchasing it, selling it, consuming it. These are some serious allegations. What could be the punishment eventually if they are convicted?
Well, there are certainly, but right now conviction is a very far-fetched idea right now because the custody of these accused is what the Narcotic Control Bureau is trying to get. And while Shawik's lawyer, Satif Shinde, is already here, and he on his part is trying to see to it that Shawik gets a bail. So, well, sir, there will be arguments on both sides on this front, whether when Shawik and Miranda can actually get a bail or not, or like their counterparts, who we had seen yesterday. 2 accused who were arrested yesterday were granted for 4 or 5 days of police custody, and they are right now in the custody of the Narcotic Control Bureau. So that remains to be seen whether these people are, sent to police custody or not. Conviction is right now a very far-fetched area because it will take years before conviction or an acquittal can really happen.
Right. Take us through more details with regards to the charges that have been leveled against them. We understand a proper charge sheet also will be drawn out by the NCB. Also, Ria Chakravarti's name has cropped up that she too has been sourcing, purchasing, pushing drugs, even transportation of it. How much of that is true, Vidya?
Well, as of now, the investigating agency has leveled these charges. It is for the court to really decide whether the charges leveled and the evidence, there has to be corroborative evidence that the agency will have to show before the court will really come to a conclusion. Just merely their word of advice saying that these people have purchased and have sold ahead. That is something that has to be corroborated with material evidence. At this moment, the NCB is saying that they have got to know is that they were purchasing not just for personal consumption but also selling it ahead. If that is the case against Shawik Chakravarti, then and if there is corroborative evidence, then certainly he could be in deep trouble. But certainly at this moment, the NCB will have to prove its case in the longer run.
Let's quickly, Vidya, stay with us. We're quickly cutting across to Mustafa Sheikh joining us live for more details. Mustafa, they've been brought in, Shawik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda at the Magistrates Court in Mumbai. Take us through what we know is going to happen next.
Well, a remand copy will be produced, and in that there will be mentions of what all the NCB has found against Souvik Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda. And they will also mention if any confessions have been made by Souvik or Samuel Miranda in this entire case, and that would be used for further investigation. And hence, the NCB will be asking for a custody of 5 to 6 days, because they may say that they want to investigate this big cartel and they have to summon more people, and letting out these accused on bail can hamper their investigation. On those grounds, the magistrate may or may not grant the NCB custody, but the previous two accused, Zaid and Basit, have been granted NCB custody till 9th of September. So it's likely in this case also the NCB custody will be granted, and after these arrests, after the custody is granted, the NCB will again start investigating further as to who all now they have reached till Samuel and Souvik. Ahead of it, who all are involved, be it Ria, be it anybody else whom Souvik was providing drugs related to Bollywood. So all these things will start coming out after the court proceedings are getting over. Back to you.
Right. Mustafa, here we understand that they are in court. What do you think is going to happen in court in the sense of a bail application that Souvik's lawyer is trying to push for? Do you think he's likely to get bail, or is it more likely that custody, a judicial or an NCB custody could be inevitable?
Well, it entirely depends on the judge after hearing the arguments, what the honorable bench decided, what they want to do and how they want to take it further. If you talk about routine cases in the NDPS matter, if there is no possession found, like in the case of Souvik and Samuel, then it's a bailable offence. But if the NCB is making out a larger offence, larger syndicate using Section 64 of NDPS Act, citing towards conspiracy, then the magistrate may or may not grant the police custody and the NCB custody. The bail could be moved, but if the custody is being granted, then the bail can't be accepted. We are saying this because if you see the precedents in this case, only the two people who were arrested, Zaid and Basit, were given the NCB custody, and hence we are drawing out this conclusion that the most likely scenario would be Samuel Miranda and Souvik Chakraborty being sent to NCB custody for 5 to 6 days. This is what we are saying, that one probable condition in the magistrate may decide something else given the evidences put forth towards the honorable court, and also deciding whether they think that the argument being made by NCB stands the test of law or not. Back to you.
Right. Thank you very much, Mustafa, for joining us. But do stay with us. We're going to continue tracking this. We're going to slip into a short break. We'll be right back with more details on